Hey traders, let's talk about Filecoin today. So, Filecoin has jumped about 6% in the last 24 hours, now trading around 86 cents. Not bad, right? We're also seeing a noticeable increase in trading volume, which usually means there's real interest coming into the market. Now the big question, is this the start of a bullish momentum or just a classic trap? On the bullish side, rising volume combined with price movement can signal accumulation. That means buyers might be stepping in, potentially setting up for a stronger move upward. But let's not get carried away just yet. Crypto markets are known for fake outs. A quick spike like this can sometimes be a bull trap, where prices rise just enough to attract buyers before pulling back again. So what should you watch? Keep an eye on whether Filecoin can hold above its recent levels and continue building higher lows. If it does, we could be looking at a genuine trend shift. If not, it might just be a short-term bounce. Bottom line, stay cautious, stay informed, and don't chase the hype. Let me know. Do you think Filecoin is gearing up for a breakout? Or is this just a temporary pump? Also, quick update. We've just released our latest Filecoin price prediction update, support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for Filecoin. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below.